Hey, Samsung washers, man. Those things are amazing. I love them. Well, top loads, all the top loads.
You
love
have to
them. Love
you
them.
have to understand them. I'll tell you what, I did an experiment and I found out that if you remove that front, so on your Samsung front load washers they're knocking at the low speed spin, right? As soon as you start it and it starts to spin, boom, 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 and then it'll settle itself down, right?
Yep.
If you remove the counterweight, the little the one it's got that like real thin
a little cement block in the front.
Yep.
And the screws.
Well, so I didn't replace anything. I just took that not the counterweights. It's like a top load washer that has the water in the counterweight. The plastic ring. So Samsung's, they have that on their front load washers, and it's got these little metal balls in them. Anything you see with a VRT.
Yeah.
That's VRT technology.
The balance ring.
Yeah, the balance ring, right?
Yep.
And
they get like rusty or corroded in there, right? And they don't spin as well.
It's just like your tire has to have a perfect balance, right? So if this thing loses or retains extra water, like over time, if it leaks a little bit of water and it's not as heavy, or if it gets a bunch of fungus behind it and all that, it'll throw it off balance. Now that's my assumption, because when I ran it without the counterbalance,
it was good.
Not a single knock. Yeah.
Let me ask you this. Do you run like Ben's grease or any type of grease on the shocks themselves?
Oh, on the dampers? I was telling him about that because
it works.
I got to make a video, but yeah, if you put
works.
Yeah, use them on front load washer dampers, everything.
Front load washers. Yep, it works.
So it's air compression, right? Just like a GE rod.
Well, no, actually, no.
No, it's a mixture.
So have you pulled it apart, Derek?
Yeah. So you pull the silver straight out of just like a shock on a Jeep.
Yeah, so it's got the shock, right? And on the inside, it actually has foam. It'll have on the plastic side, it has foam, like foam here, and then around this way. So the friction of the foam up against the metal rod provides your dampening.
So it's the same thing.
Yeah.
And then if you take duct tape and tape up the bottoms of them where the extra air comes out, that helps them hold a little bit too. But then they don't like to suck out. Yeah.
But that grease does wonders on them. It does.
When we were refurbishing front loaders, we used to always see like the counterweights, like the bolts that were holding them on. They just get worn out, and so they shake a little bit. Or they shake completely out. Yeah.
Samsung's notorious, and they'll even break they'll break the screw off. The plastic
screw hole.
Yeah, I took one. I put an epoxy patch. I had a super nice Samsung. I didn't want to throw it away or strip it, strap and strip it. But I did a whole daggone fender job. Looked like I was building spoilers.
Some bond and everything.
Right? Yeah, I did.
So are you guys refurbishing front loaders right now?
Oh yeah.
I actually got a few. I picked up from my supplier. I got a few of them from a pile around the corner. I got 3 of them. So I typically don't grab them. But when I see a good set from my supplier, I'm like, you know what?